Hey guys, welcome back to TCG Trainers. Today we'll be doing another new series, just like our chasing Giratina. We're going to be chasing Lugia. So I've got another booster bundle here today to open. Now we didn't have too much luck in the Giratina chase. Hopefully we'll have better luck in the Lugia chase, but we will see. I've already cut the pack a little bit here just to make it easier for opening, and hopefully I don't make the same mistakes as last time. Would be nice. So let's get into it. Start off by making sure we actually have all the packs here. Perfect, got those 6 there. Alright, let's make a start. Awesome, see that one there. Once again, put the codes up there for anyone who wants it. Alright, there we go. Nice art there. Warlord. There we go. Nothing. Starting off just like last time. There we go. Alright, let's move into pack number 2. Hopefully we do get some better luck than last time. I was reading some comments that apparently these packs seem to have very low hit rates, which we'll find out if that is true. Alright, hopefully some better luck this time. Fire. Good start. Sunkern. Another miss. Pack 3. Nice Rotom to start. There we go. Some very nice art there. They always look nice. Fighting type backgrounds for reverse hollows. Here we go. We got our first pull. Regieleki. Very nice. Go. Beautiful art on that one. Nice to actually get something this early on compared to last time. There we go. Our first hit. Moving on to pack 4. God, I'm opening these horrifically today. Code up there again. Yeah. As you can see, you actually have that Evolving Skies ETB in the background. I'm going to be going through over the next couple of days. Record that and get that up there as well. Oh wow, that looks nice. Nice art on that one there. And another nothing. There we go. Pack number 5. These definitely don't seem to be having good luck. They're much better luck just randomly packing different cards from just buying loose from different stores. There we go. It's actually my worst luck so far has been on these little packs. There we go. Nice V-Star. Alright, let's go. That looks nice too. Nice Pokemon, not a great card. There we go. Moving on to our last one here. This might be the worst luck we've had pack-wise. I might have to stop buying these. Oh, that was horrific. There we go, final code of the day. And definitely a Lugia, obviously. It's 100% what we're gonna get. There we go. Just gotta believe, you know? Nice Noibat. Here we go. Last card of the day, let's see. Shiny Rapidash, probably the 50th one we've had. There we go. So another 6 packs down and another 6 of nothing basically. But thank you for watching. Hopefully you like to see us and how unsuccessfully we open these packs so you don't have to buy them. Yeah. Keep an eye out for the next 6 packs that we're opening next week. Hopefully we'll have some better luck and maybe you guys will get to see a Lugia. Peace.